Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have some more entries into the mini pocket letter swap and raffle. I have been getting several in the mail, and I think I have several more coming today. So I'm going to try and get these all done. I will definitely get them all done. And I'm probably going to group them maybe 2 together. I think that's best, right? All right, so we have one here. We're going to open this one up. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you, this is from Sarah. And Sarah is on Instagram, and she is at mama_tunecrafts. And look at how adorable these are, guys. All right, so I'm just going to look into one. And I love this ocean theme. Perfect for the summer. And look at the whale paper. Like, this is nice. I have like ocean themed paper, but it's more like cartoonish, where this is more real and illustrated. Very nice. And we have this paper tassel with the green and blue ocean colors. And then on the back, we have our tea bag with some cutouts, and then looks like some fish stickers. So cute. So this is sweet and spicy flavored herbal and black tea. Perfect. Thank you so much, Sarah. So we're going to put those back in there, and then Sarah included this for me, and these are really cute, guys. So let's just see if we can open this up and take a look. And Sarah is from California. Sarah is actually from Clovis, California. Do you guys know who else is from Clovis, California? Yep, Kim's Inspired Life is from Clovis, California. I wonder if they know each other. These are adorable. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my, I love these. I love these. I love anything small and tiny. So these are just some blank note cards with some matching envelopes in different colors. Thank you so much, Sarah, for thinking about me. All right, our next entry is from Patrice's Crafty Life on Instagram. Patrice, and look at these different. I love how they're all, can you see all of them? How they're all just a little bit different themed. We have almost a vintagey. We have, oh, I like this one with the toucan. Toucan, just fun, summer. This one's really pretty. I love the use of the different ephemera. And then on the back, she's got that label too. Look at this, guys. All right, so here's the back. She has her tea. Ooh, salted caramel. I just bought salted caramel coffee. And I actually just made salted caramel cookies over the weekend. Love it. But she has this label too. Made with Love by Patrice. Somebody's selling them. Somebody's got to be selling these labels. Because I don't know how you would get that. How you would get it to cut out like that. I'm going to have to look into that. Maybe, Patrice, maybe you can just put a little something in the comments down below and let us know how you guys are getting these labels. But yeah, look at how beautiful. Patrice, thank you so much for entering. And guys, I will see you in the next video.